Welcome to our channel. Are you tired of breaking the bank on your travels? In this video, we're sharing our top budget travel tips and tricks to help you save money and make the most out of your trip. From finding the best deals on flights and accommodations to budget-friendly activities, we've got you covered. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the world without breaking the bank. Let's go! 10 budget travel tips and tricks. 1. Plan ahead. One of the best ways to save money on travel is to plan ahead. Booking flights and accommodations in advance can often result in significant savings. Also, planning your itinerary ahead of time can help you avoid impulse purchases and stick to your budget. 2. Use budget airlines. Budget airlines can often offer significantly cheaper flights than traditional airlines. However, it's important to keep in mind that these airlines often have additional fees for things like checked baggage, seat selection, and food. Make sure to factor these costs into your budget and compare them to the cost of a traditional airline before booking. 3. Use comparison sites. Comparison sites are a great way to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and rental cars. These sites allow you to compare prices from multiple providers, making it easy to find the best deal. For stay in budget accommodations, instead of staying in expensive hotels, consider budget-friendly options such as hostels, guest houses, and vacation rentals. These options often offer a more authentic experience and can save you a significant amount of money. 5. Cook your own meals. Eating out can be one of the most expensive parts of traveling. Instead of eating out at restaurants every day, consider cooking your own meals. This can save you a significant amount of money and also allow you to experience local ingredients. 6. Use public transportation. Taxis and rental cars can be expensive. Instead, consider using public transportation such as buses and trains. Not only is it often cheaper, but it also allows you to experience the local culture and see more of the city. 7. Look for free activities. Many cities have a wide range of free activities such as parks, museums, and festivals. Research these options before you go and plan your itinerary accordingly. 8. Use a budget tracking app. Keeping track of your expenses while traveling can be difficult. Consider using a budget tracking app to help you stay on top of your spending. These apps allow you to input your budget and track your expenses in real time. 9. Avoid peak travel times. Traveling during peak times such as holidays and summer can be significantly more expensive. Consider traveling during the off-season when prices are often lower. 10. Be flexible with your plans. Being flexible with your plans can often lead to significant savings. For example, consider traveling to a destination that is less popular or finding a last-minute deal on a vacation rental. In conclusion, traveling on a budget is possible with a bit of planning and creativity. By following these tips and tricks, you can save money and make the most out of your trip. Remember to be flexible, plan ahead, and use the resources available to you. Keep in mind that budget travel is not only about saving money, but also about having an authentic and unique experience. Happy and budget-friendly travels!